Your home's air ducts and dryer vents play a vital role in maintaining healthy indoor air and keeping your HVAC system running efficiently. Over time, dust, dirt, pet dander, allergens, and other contaminants build up inside your ductwork, while lint accumulates in your dryer vent, creating a serious fire hazard and reducing your dryer's performance. If you're a homeowner or business owner in Falls, PA, E-Cleaning Duct and Vent Cleaning is here to help with professional air duct and dryer vent cleaning services. Learn more about our air duct cleaning services at https://ecleaningductventcleaning.com/air duct cleaning in Falls, and our dryer vent cleaning services at https://ecleaningductventcleaning.com/dryer vent cleaning in Falls. Our experienced technicians use professional equipment to thoroughly remove dust, debris and lint, helping improve indoor air quality, restore proper airflow, reduce energy costs, and extend the life of your HVAC system and dryer. We are fully licensed, bonded, and insured, with over 15 years of experience serving homeowners and businesses throughout the region. Every service begins with a careful inspection, followed by a thorough cleaning and a final check to ensure your system is operating at its best. Whether you're dealing with excessive dust, allergy symptoms, musty odors, longer drying times, or simply want preventative maintenance, our team is ready to deliver reliable, honest, and professional service. Schedule your free consultation today by calling 484-367-5944 and experience cleaner air, improved efficiency, and greater peace of mind with E-Cleaning Duct and Vent Cleaning.